guys, in this video I'll be installing a dimmer switch for the Jetta's driving lights. A while back I installed a light bar and fog lights, but I just replaced the fog lights with LED driving lights, and they're super bright. I installed the dimmer switch to make them less annoying to other drivers. The dimmer is a PWM unit that I bought from Amazon. If you're not familiar with PWM, it basically turns the power on and off really fast. You can change the brightness of a light by changing the length of the on and off pulses. Since this is a cheap PWM unit, I wanted to bench test it before installing it. I tested it using the 12-volt output of an old computer power supply and an LED tail light bulb. Hey, it works! Let's install it. But before I install it, I'm going to remove the dial knob and extend the wiring so I can mount the dial knob in the dash. I tested the dimmer once again to make sure I didn't mess anything up. I decided to install the dimmer switch behind the dash on the driver's side. I had to remove the dash panels to gain access to that area. The wiring for the dimmer switch is pretty simple. The power comes from a 12-volt ignition source. It grounds to the chassis, plus it has two wires that go to the driving lights. The dial knob will be mounted in this trim piece. I need to drill a hole in the trim piece to mount the knob. Pro tip: when cutting or drilling plastic, always go slow. You don't want the plastic to heat up and start to melt. Now I'm using a piece of electrical cord to fish the dial knob through the dash. Now we can install the dial knob into the trim piece and reinstall the trim piece. Okay, let's test it out. Not bad. The camera auto-adjusts the brightness level, so you can't see the dimming effect very well in the video. If you're curious about the light bar, I bought it from Red Eye Cafe Auto. They're on Instagram, link in description, and there's a link to their install video up in the corner. Okay, that's it for this video. See you next time.